Are you worried about a receding hairline or bald patches? Do you feel your hair is becoming thinner or grayer? When people notice their hair is changing, this can be a blow to their confidence. Our hair is often a part of our identity, so we might go to great lengths to preserve it. This natural home remedy might not sound that appealing, but it has been a successful treatment for hair loss for decades. Onion and onion juice can help you regrow your hair. How onion helps in hair growth. Onion is rich in sulfur. This mineral is one of the main building blocks of hair. It improves blood circulation and provides the hair follicles with sufficient nourishment. Onion also has antibacterial properties, so it helps with scalp infections that might contribute to hair loss. Furthermore, it contains the enzyme catalase, which is an antioxidant that can prevent premature graying for some people. How to make onion rinse for hair growth. Onion juice for hair growth. Peel the onions and chop them into small pieces. Squeeze the juice out. To extract the juice, you can use a food processor, a blender, a grater or a juicer. Massage the juice into your scalp or cover the bald patches. Leave on for at least 15 minutes, longer if you can tolerate the smell, and then wash out using a mild shampoo. Repeat the onion juice treatment daily to encourage hair regrowth. If you apply onion juice to your scalp for the first time, test it on a small area first to make sure you are not allergic to it. Onion and honey mix for hair growth. Mix 1/4 cup of onion juice with 1 tablespoon of honey. If more mixture is required, double the amounts. Apply the onion juice and honey paste onto your scalp. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes. You can also cover it with a shower cap and leave it overnight. Rinse it off. This is a natural treatment, so you'll have to be a bit patient to see the results. Use it daily or minimum 3 times a week, and allow at least 2 months for your hair to start becoming stronger and shinier. How much time does it take to see results? It takes a while before noticing results. As much as 4 to 6 weeks. According to the research about onion juice for hair growth, at 4 weeks, hair regrowth was seen in 74% of the participants and, at 6 weeks, the hair regrowth was observed in 87% of the participants.